All right, I bought this at Costco the other day. Sick and tired of pumping up tires with the air compressor down below the hill. We'll see how good this thing works. It's a little portable battery powered air compressor. Let's put it to the test. All right, we got it hooked up. We'll see how long it takes to pump up this flat tire. Exactly 10 minutes. About 31 pounds. Not really the fastest pump, but it sure beats hauling a compressor around. It's got a fancy little light on it too, I found out. It's on the side of the road. All right, we're exactly 13 minutes into this project and used a quarter of the battery. So that's from 0 psi to 45. If you're in a hurry, this isn't the thing to use, but it's pretty handy when you're pumping up all these tires for your tractor instead of hauling it up to the hill, than risking wrecking the tire. All right, well, that's my review on this deal. I'm not sponsored or anything like that, but I just thought it was a cool little buy. It's not the fastest thing, but still pretty handy. But thanks for watching.